Alright, welcome to the Hey guys, welcome to this week's episode of Sabki Rai. Unfortunately, it's just the two of us today because the third host fell down in his washroom.
We're addressing the lack of the elephant in the room.
So basically, he fell down in his washroom and broke
himself a little bit, so
fractured one of his bones, got 8 stitches.
on his head.
I don't know how you can possibly do that.
It was tragic.
It was tragic, and unfortunately, we've replaced him with this bald glove to represent our dear host, who's not gonna be with us today.
So, Rudy, this is for you. Get well soon. All right, guys. So we're gonna start off from last week, like we talked about Atif Aslam. So remember that whole story about him saving a girl from a concert, who was getting harassed, and he stopped his singing and he did this heroic move of rescuing the girl, not himself, but he did something about it.
Umar, rescue her. Rescue her.
There was a statement right after the day that we shot the video, and
There was a
in
statement
fact,
that came
एक
out.
बड़े
From the-
reputable newspaper Daily Times ने जाके उस बंदे को इंटरव्यू किया जो apparently assault कर रहा था, and they found out that he was a part of the organizing committee, and
He was one of the organizers, and he claimed that I was stopping the girls. There were 2 girls, 1 guy. I was stopping them from entering into the VIP area, but they started attacking me, saying that I had no right to stop them, and they started attacking me, and the guy started attacking me. They started clawing at me. Atif Aslam saw the whole thing, but instead of helping the guy out, he thought that he was harassing the girls because obviously उसने push pull तो थोड़ा किया होगा because he was part of
और उसने भाई
security.
सासी बात है, उसने कहा यार यही मेरा मोमेंट है, यहाँ पर
मैं
मैंने
बच्चियाँ बताऊं।
सुपरस्टार बनना है, यहाँ पर मैंने जी बड़े बड़े उसमें आना है।
He could have
और
had good
एक
intentions.
मिनट के अंदर ना, 1 मिनट के अंदर उसने डिसाइड किया कि ये बंदी हरास हो रही है, वो बंदा जो है वो जलील है।
Because it is a common practice, ऐसे होता भी है. That's why he thought that.
No.
Yes.
मैं बताता हूँ इस सिचुएशन में हुआ क्या, क्योंकि जब मैंने वो फॉलो अप पढ़ी ना, मेरी बड़ा दिल, मेरा खून जला, मेरा
From an
खून
anonymous
जल के बाहर हो
guy.
गया।
From an anonymous guy.
From Daily Times, reputable news source, जिस पे आके उसने में भी हुआ क्या है, यहाँ पे फेमिनिज्म का रगड़ा गया, ठीक है। फेमिनिज्म पता है ना, चलता है, बिकता है आजकल। जो बंदा जी वो नहीं होते, वो फैशन के ब्रांड्स वगैरह भी, वो भी आजकल फेमिनिज्म में चले हुए हैं।
It's not like
हर बंदा फेमिनिज्म में चला हुआ, जी स्टाइल होता है, अच्छा आराम से। अच्छा, उसके बाद एक उसने उसको अब्यूज किया, दूसरा उसने इस बात को अब्यूज किया कि यार
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
सॉरी आई लॉस्ट माय ट्रेन ऑफ थॉट, दूसरा किस बात को अब्यूज किया।
Women get harassed at concerts and in public places. Don't act like it doesn't happen. ठीक है?
It does happen.
Atif Aslam saw what he saw. He tried to save the girl. He was on stage. There were lights on him. He probably thought the girl was getting harassed. उसने उसको save करने की कोशिश की. अब now this guy who chooses to be anonymous is not giving us any proof of the claw marks or the bite marks that he got. ठीक है? It's
Daily
his
Times
word.
verified it. They went to the hospital.
No,
it's in
they-
the article.
it's not in the article.
It's in the article. The scratches. He went to the hospital. The scratches were verified by the reporter. That is what I'm saying. हुआ ये है कि एक खातून थी जिनका वो दिमाग खराब हुआ था, साइंस स्टाइल, ठीक है, VIP।
सकता है।
उन्होंने कहा भाई मैं तो VIP हूँ, हमारा तो होता ही है कि जी हम थोड़ा सा अगर वो हो
हम
जाए,
लेडी हम फैमिली सेक्शन
हम फैमिली सेक्शन में जाएंगे, हम VIP, तुम होते कौन हमें रोकने वाले। वो चढ़ गई उस बंदे के ऊपर,
बंदे ने भी मारा, फिर और लोगों ने भी उसको मारा.
उस बंदे को
That's
मारा।
what he's saying.
एंड उसके ऊपर आतिफ भाई आए और उन्होंने कहा, मुझे जो सबसे ज्यादा बात उससे भी हो रही थी, लेकिन मैंने कहा चलो अनपॉपुलर ओपिनियन उसे बोलते नहीं है, बट उससे भी आतिफ भाई आए और आए कहते हैं यार हम ये जो ना इतना आप सुपरस्टार है, इतना आपको हो रहा है कि यार मैं जाके बच्ची को बचाता हूँ, भाई आप उसको हाथ दे के खुद बचा लो। क्या कामरान कम रेस्क्यू भाई, आप कौन क्या चीज
She
हो
was
भाई,
probably heavy. He probably उसमें जान नहीं होगी, थका हुआ होगा. He was
आप
performing.
क्या चीज हो भाई, सामने बंदी है, उसको हाथ दो, उठा लो। आर यू फैट शेमिंग राइट हियर?
Not the bandi. I'm saying the guy must have been stronger जिसको बुलाया है.
She was probably heavy.
Fact is, we still don't know who's
Very
telling the
disappointed
truth.
by the story. Very disappointed.
Atif Aslam thought he was doing the right
Atif
thing,
Aslam
which he did.
took the easy elevator to fame.
No, he thought someone was getting harassed, so he tried to save them. He's just being a hater. Atif Aslam, I'm still your fan.
Sorry.
Can I have your autograph?
Another big story of the week, Amir Liaquat Hussain, who's constantly on the media for one fuck up or another.
तो ऋषि कपूर की कव्वाली में जो एक आदमी नहीं आया था वो लग रहा है।
आमिर लियाकत ने 64 पुशअप्स लगाकर नया चैलेंज कर दिया है।
बाल आपके असली हैं या लगवाए हैं आपने?
नेचुरल है। नहीं भी अच्छा
is again banned by Pemra. So what happened basically was कि आमिर लियाकत ने recently बोल्ड टेलीविजन ज्वाइन किया और उन्होंने आके एक नया शो स्टार्ट किया called
ये नहीं चलेगा,
ये
something like
अब
that.
ऐसा नहीं चलेगा,
ऐसा नहीं होगा.
ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, and basically to get people all emotional and riled up, he started bashing any and everyone who disagreed with him. Interestingly, not only was it extremely emotional, but in the past 1 week उसने जाके बहुत सारे लोगों के ऊपर, he started hating on them, and then
Because he feels like he can, right?
yeah,
He's an
he feels
alim,
like he
he's a
can,
doctor.
and he can get away with anything.
can get away
So
with
basically, he started accusing people of blasphemy, and basically started saying that people are anti-Pakistan at his will. आप भी anti-Pakistan, आप भी anti-Pakistan, आप सब anti-Pakistan.
मैं जो कहूँगा वो सही है.
Which is interesting because the interesting thing that I see is कि वो आके anti-Pakistan की दो चीजें हैं, blasphemy and anti-Pakistan. But when he starts labeling any of these two things, and this is something, guys, I don't have any opinions about Pakistan, or I mean, I love Pakistan or Islam per se, so don't kill me for it. But when Amir Liaquat labels anyone a blasphemer or an anti-Pakistan person, आम जनता सोचती भी नहीं है कि पीछे क्या हो रहा है. उसने बस बोलना है कि यार वो एंटी पाकिस्तान है, कहते हैं जी एंटी पाकिस्तान नहीं, ये तो है ही एंटी पाकिस्तान. भाई व्हाट डिड ही से दैट मेड हिम एंटी पाकिस्तान, और व्हाट डिड ही से दैट probably made some sort of.
ये बंदा जो कहेगा वो सही है, तुम ये बात समझ लो. ठीक है? Whatever he says goes.
But that's the weirdest part because
वो तुम्हें आम खिलाएगा, तुम खाओगे, तुम्हें बच्चा देगा, तुम लोगे बच्चा उससे.
Yes,
Take this baby and shut up.
So that's probably the weirdest news of this week.
Yes.
In terms of verdict, I think Amir Liaquat
He
wins.
was banned and he's still not banned.
And he's still not banned. He was banned, by the way, interestingly, and I missed this part. He went on a rant against Geo News के सारे anchors, Geo News as a whole. जिससे, by the way, वो recently आया था और लोग कहते थे कि he was so powerful because Geo News उसको back करती है. अब उसको पैमरा ने बैन किया, but he's still on air and there's no action against him. So legitimately, it's not Geo News, it's not Jung Group, it's Amir Liaquat who's like the king
Turns out
in
Pemba
Pakistani
is
media.
Not as strong as they thought.
And when it talks about verdicts, I guess Amir Liaquat wins. Not just social media, every bloody thing in this country.
All these Amirs keep fucking shit up, by the way. पहले आमिर खान था, अब आमिर लियाकत है. Alright guys, next news, which I'm sure most of you all read it. Did you know about this? Did you believe it?
I did not.
Okay.
I did not.
Let me tell you. Paki Viral is a website that posted a couple of days ago that WhatsApp will now be taking screenshots, will be notifying people of screenshots. If, like in Snapchat, when someone, अगर कोई आपकी Snap की screenshot लेता है तो आपको पता चल जाता है, तो it's going to be exactly like that on WhatsApp. कि
अगर आप किसी की conversation की basically screenshot लेके अपने दूसरे दोस्त को भेज रहे हैं कि देखो जरा तुम्हारे बारे में कितनी बुरी बातें कर रहा है, तो आपको screenshot जाएगी.
तो उस बंदे को पता चल जाएगा कि भाई आपकी screenshots ली गई हैं. And लोगों, अच्छा Paki Viral, it came on Paki Viral, ठीक है? It came nowhere else. Not on Mashable, not on any other. I mean, this is a big deal, right? कि भाई WhatsApp पे screenshots आ रही हैं. Everyone in this universe screenshots conversations. You
Yeah,
do it,
everybody
I
does
do it, you do it, everyone does it.
Yep.
So everyone obviously lost it. हर किसी की फट गई कि भाई अब कैसे होगा?
कैसे होगा, क्या होगा?
अब the funny thing is हर किसी ने शेयर करना शुरू कर दिया. मुझे कोई 10 लोगों ने शेयर किया because everyone knows I screenshot a lot. तो उनको था कि भाई ये बंदा तो फारिग हो गया. But when I read the article, a lot of people, what they missed was कि end of the article it said Happy Satire Day. You know what that means?
Yes. That it's a piece of
means
shit. That
the
we're
article
lying.
was a joke.
Yeah. And it's interesting because you read it on Paki Viral. I read it, the first time I read it was around 4 days ago when it first popped up. It was on 8shit.com. And people were sharing it on my feed, 8shit.com. 8freaking-shit.com. How can you miss that? It's not Gizmodo, it's not TechCrunch, it's not pro-Pakistani.
Yeah.
8shit. और लोगों ने खोल के देखा
You
तक
guys didn't
नहीं.
even read the article. If you had read the article, you would have known
guys.
that it was satire.
Seriously.
Please, the only reason we're putting this, we shouldn't have even. We don't want to propagate the story. But please, if you're reading something online, actually read it.
और
Don't just read the headline.
क्या करें, अगर पढ़ भी लेना, कभी कभार इसमें तो हैप्पी सैटरडे देता है. काफी दफा ऐसा होता है हैप्पी सैटरडे नहीं होता because people writes this sort of weird stuff. बहुत से ऐसे आर्टिकल्स आते हैं. अब ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने पाकिस्तानियों के लिए वीजा पॉलिसी खत्म कर दी.
Yeah, I read that.
लोग तो उनके शेयर करते हैं, भाई ओ जी सीन ऑन है, पैसे नहीं जाने के लेकिन अब जाएंगे. भाई आप खोलें, उसकी एक लाइन कॉपी करें, गूगल पे डालें, देखें और कितने लोगों ने की है. बड़ा सिंपल सा हुआ है. मैं भी यही करता हूं. Whenever there's something that's outrageous, that gets you excited, that you would probably share, just take one line, copy paste it on Google, see if any other newspaper or any other blog shared it. If it did,
Yeah.
well and good.
Also,
Great.
they have these websites that are actually made to
Mythbuster websites.
Mythbuster websites, like which one's a hoax, which one is real. So I mean, don't believe everything you see on the internet, guys. But we're talking the truth, though.
Yeah, we're all about truth.
हम तो सच बोलते हैं.
Obviously. All right, so Islamabad United, the
Last year's winners
Yes, the
of
champions
the
of PSL, the first edition of PSL came out with their newest ad today for the
Campaign.
newest session of PSL starting sometime in February. I don't even know when it's starting.
Yeah, sometime in February. I know because last year February we started.
But basically they came out with a new advertisement and it was really really cool because what I saw very interestingly, Karachi Kings निकालता है कराची जीतेगा वो लाहौर निकाल देती थी लाहौर बादशाह और लाहौर and then Islamabad
Classy.
being
Beautiful.
the classy awesome
Amazing.
people that we are came out with
Totally.
this beautiful campaign about how jeet
People are gonna be thrown back 5 years ago to my video. And I'm gonna go to hell again.
but चाहे वो losers हो या winners हो चाहे कराची हो या लाहौर हो, you know, we should be united as one.
Hey, concept बहुत अच्छा था. You have to
Because-
admit, people.
Dude, it was a beautiful video.
Concept बहुत अच्छा
It was a beautiful video. And it was right, like जो कराची और लाहौर वाले यहन डालते हैं ना हर वक्त.
Seriously, you
कि
guys need to
यार,
step up your game, man.
तुम लोग क्या हो छोटा सा शहर है आके जो है ना ये बातें करते हैं, भाई पहले आपको हमने पीएसएल में मार के हराया जलील करके. ना लाहौर था ना कराची था.
Yes.
एक क्वेटे था जिसको भी आप जलील करते थे वो भी वायरल में आया हुआ था. क्वेटे के साथ हम खेला
अच्छा यार,
हमने
ये क्या
जीत गया.
racist
ठीक है
accent तुम्हारा?
लेकिन जो आप लोगों के साथ हुई है ना इस बार भी इंशाल्लाह वही होगी because
होगी.
इस्लामाबाद यूनाइटेड ने दिखा दिया एक बार फिर.
Remember our last year's song? It was so good.
It was
That
good.
Adidas
We
won.
come up with everything good.
We're just
Our
good.
songs
That's
are
why we
good.
win.
Our ads are good. Our cricketers are good.
Our people are good.
Our people are good.
This show is good. Better than
show is
any
good.
Karachi show.
This city. So yes,
We're better
Islamabad
than you. And we're gonna beat you this year again. I don't care, but we will.
We will.
Alright guys, that was it for today's episode of Sabki Rai. That was Muzammil, this was Duty, who we miss so dearly. Please get well soon once again. And we hope you like this video. Make sure to give this a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe. If you want any of the links of the videos that we've talked about, they're in the description box below. Feel free to comment, feel free to share this, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye bye. So, Amir Khan's Skypex was leaked. I know Amir Khan, the boxer.
Yeah,
Khan,
the
boxer.
Pakistani boxer.
The Pakistani Muslim boxer.
मुस्लिम बॉक्सर में टेंपल्स हो रहा है.
Oh yeah.
पता नहीं क्या हो गया.
special type of boxer
मसल ही और
Yeah, so the video has been leaked, okay, and there are multiple videos. So ये जो particular video है, it was made. The weird thing is, super weird thing is that it was made